They find your intensity very, very appealing. You speak words of wisdom to this individual. Your words are empowering. Your words are direct. Your words are intriguing. You have a certain vibrance about you, a certain depth that this individual has never experienced before. Whenever you speak, you command attention. You command their attention. And this is the type of person who is fiercely independent, who doesn't ask permission to do what they want to do. Sometimes this individual may do things without thinking. This person is very proud, but whenever you speak to them, whenever you share your insight, they're taken aback. No one has ever had the capacity to penetrate their very being, their soul, what triggers them, what makes them go towards certain situations and opportunities. You're able to break down the backstory as to why they act in the way that they do. At first, they found your energy very intimidating. And this is a person that only deals with facts and signs, but you help them to connect to a more soulful and spiritual side within them that they felt did not exist. They feel like you cleanse the space. Your energy is pure. Your energy is regal. You may not say much sometimes, but your energy is evident. It's felt. You are a hard worker. They see how you pour your life and soul into your projects, into your goals, into your work, and they admire you. They look up to you. They see how you defend the underdog. You give off a sense of, you can't mess with me. They see how powerful you are. Your energy radiates strength. You have made this person feel included. You have made this person feel accepted. This person has felt left out in the cold by many people. But you had the capacity, and you have the capacity to embrace them. Their humanness. They don't need to put on a mask in regards to you. They feel like you're balanced, fair, kind. You have been that way towards them. And you have helped this person connect to their self-worth because you lead by example. You treat them with respect. And sometimes they feel like they have fallen short in regards to treating you in the same way. And they have a lot of gratitude for you. But they struggle with expressing this because when they weigh up how they have given to this connection, to this friendship, it falls short. They feel indebted to you. You've done so much. You have brought a lot of joy into this person's life. And this person was appreciative of you. But when you take a step back, they realize the sunshine that is missing. How uplifting. How positive. How vibrant you make them feel. You make the atmosphere feel. And they feel that you deserve the best. They want to offer you some type of commitment for some of you. some type of job role, collaboration, money. They feel as if you are someone that deserves it all. But in the past, this person may have been in their ego, because we have the miracles and blessings card in the reverse, indicating that this person didn't see you as a miracle and a blessing in the past, because Spirit sent you into their life in disguise. You were sent into this person's life to make them see that you mustn't take anyone or anything at face value. And this individual's foundations were unstable before they met you. And for some of you, they still are. For some of you, this person wasn't even thinking about a romantic relationship. They were just getting by through the day. They were just accepting the toxicity that they were born into. But you have come into their life and you have shown them a new way, a new path. And because of your patience with them, because you have patience with yourself, it's helping this person to stay balanced. Because of your outspokenness, for sticking up for what you want, the people that you love, for sticking up for what is right, you are helping this person stand in their power. You are helping this person to speak their truth. You are helping this person, for some of you, to break free from an old paradigm and be unapologetic about it. You see, you are inspiring, or you have inspired this individual. You came into their life to show a mirror to them as to how things were, things that they were sweeping under the rug that needed to be addressed. Because of your foresight, because of your wisdom, because you lead by example, because of your experiences, because of your love for this individual, you have set them free. They respect you. They admire you. They want the best for you. And because of you, they're transforming into their very best. Keep shining your light wherever you go, butterflies, because it's working.